Hi everyone, and welcome to a new video. In this video, I will show you how to type comfortably and efficiently on a laptop with natural long nails. With these tips and tricks, you will reducing pressure on your nails to help prevent cracks and breakage. Opening your laptop with your nail might seem harmless, but it puts a lot of pressure on the weakest part of the nail. Instead, try opening your laptop with the side of your thumb. This helps reduce pressure on your nails. When you type like this on your laptop, constant pressure is placed on your nails. Over time, this can weaken them and make them more likely to bend, crack, or break. Here's a close-up so you can clearly see the pressure being placed on the nail while typing. Instead of typing with the tips of your nails, try keeping your fingers as flat as possible. This shifts the pressure onto your fingertips rather than onto the nails themselves. In this close-up, you can see how this typing method helps reduce pressure on your nails. Using a mouse pad with long nails takes a little getting used to as well, because it won't respond when you touch it with your nails. If you keep your fingers flat, you'll be able to use the mouse pad much more easily without relying on your nails. Or you can use a flat mouse instead. Personally, that's my preferred option when I'm working on a laptop. And when it's time to close your laptop, you can always just ask your cat to give it a little head bump for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips will help you type more comfortably while protecting your long nails. Let me know what you would like to see in future videos, and I will see you again in the next one.